The critical announcement came at the last possible moment. I knew the developers were insane, but I had no idea they were that dedicated. When you see what you're about to discover, everything we ever imagined about Shiba Inu will seem trivial. Now, what exactly am I referring to? What gives it its significance anyway? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice, the price of Shiba Inu fell by more than 10% yesterday. That is a significant drop for a cryptocurrency of this magnitude. This decline may not be shocking for lesser-known projects, but for Shiba Inu with a market valuation in the billions, it's a major issue. It is certainly important to pay attention to this kind of decline because it is rather substantial. However, what has transpired in reality? Well, the recent decline in Bitcoin is related to the decline in Shiba Inu. As is happening right now, the entire market is reacting to Bitcoin's decline. Curiously, every meme currency with a market cap exceeding $200 million is underperforming as well. For altcoins, this is a really bad position. Altcoins like Shiba Inu confront a considerably more formidable adversary than Bitcoin, which can recover from setbacks and return to its original value relatively fast. Altcoins lack the stability and investor confidence that Bitcoin has, which makes their recovery more difficult. This is in contrast to Bitcoin, which has a firmer basis thanks to its established position and broad acceptance. When things go wrong, the development team's ability to communicate is crucial for the project's recovery. It is critical to hear their perspective and their support about the matter. The team's dedication to fixing the problems and continuing the project is reassuring to both investors and the community. To recover from a severe setback, it is necessary to rebuild trust and stability, which can be achieved through this type of openness and participation. And right now, this is occurring. The marketing manager for Shiba Inu, Lucy, relays news from the head of the ecosystem, Shytoshi Kusama, regarding the present status and future intentions of the project. Lucy highlighted the fact that Shiba Inu are presently in the construction stage in an X-post. The moat has been erected to safeguard the castle, according to a message that Shytoshi Kusama sent to the crew, which she mentioned. This is the next step construction. This comparison highlights the significance of putting in place robust security measures to safeguard the project prior to proceeding. Picture yourself launching a brand new company. Make sure the structure is safe, the foundation is strong, and you can handle future development. Before you open your doors to clients, if you don't lay this foundation, everything else you do is likely to fall apart. Similarly, Shiba Inu is putting its energy into laying a strong groundwork for the future. Lucy claims that Shiba Inu are now in what she calls Stage 1, Step 1 in their developmental journey. Although there is still much work to be done, it is essential to lay the groundwork today so that the project can develop and remain stable in the future. Lucy made an interesting analogy between a railway track and Shibarium, the second language blockchain developed by Shiba Inu. She elaborated by saying that the group is in the midst of setting up critical entry points for developers and users alike inside Shibarium. As part of this endeavor, we are working to improve Shiba Inu's technological capabilities, establish cooperative relationships, and safeguard the ecosystem as a whole. Furthermore, Lucy dropped hints that influential people in the industry are keeping a careful eye on Shiba Inu. Although she refrained from divulging their identities, this spotlight could pave the way for major collaborations down the road, as it indicates a rising interest in Shiba Inu. The difficulties of creating an all-encompassing ecology were not lost on Lucy, who stressed the need of devoting time and energy to the task. Regardless of these challenges, she is confident that Shiba Inu will soon have a fresh story once the stations are all set up. Many have been waiting a long time for this, and they are not disappointed. In the end, they are eager for it to come to fruition. Everyone in the community is holding its breath, hoping that Shiba Inu will finally make something genuinely remarkable. Lucy stressed the need of keeping the community apprised of developments and encouraging their active participation. She stressed the importance of this participation in starting a new chapter for the token with a canine theme. All of these changes are essential if the Shiba Inu is to remain popular in the future. A lot of projects get popular very fast. However, they frequently disappear once the initial enthusiasm wanes in the group. Is unable to provide continuous benefits, just like the Shiba Inu development team is doing. A project needs to continuously innovate and give real benefits if it wants to prosper in the long run. Casey Stubbs, creator of trading strategy guides, made an unexpected statement on Twitter at this point. Just recently, Stubbs outlined his future plans for the massive adoption of Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain developed by Shiba Inu. According to his description, Shibarium's 24-hour trading activity generated billions of USD from thousands of Shiba Inu and Bone token pairs. In this made-up scenario, Stubbs went so far as to say that Bone and Shiba Inu may have a market cap of $1 trillion. He made these remarks in reaction to a message that Special K, the moderator of Shibarium, sent out via Telegram and Discord. It should be mentioned that at the present time, there is just one cryptocurrency with a market size over 1 trillion USD, along with Bitcoin. While this mark may be difficult to reach, other altcoins may eventually reach or surpass it. The reason behind it is as follows. One factor contributing to this is the fact that no other cryptocurrency has an exchange-traded fund ETF like Bitcoin. Large investments into Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs since its introduction in January have kept prices stable and, according to some, will keep pushing prices higher. Still, Ethereum stands out as the most interesting. It is now worth about $500 billion, making it the second biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. The anticipation is over the roof as the trading of Ethereum ETFs is set to begin, most likely in the first week of July. Today, the supply of Ethereum on exchanges reached its lowest point since 2016, suggesting that there may be a shortage and subsequent price increases. Prior to the launch of the spot Ethereum ETF, investors have shown confidence in the cryptocurrencies' long-term growth with significant ETH withdrawals. There are those who think this could be the catalyst for Ethereum to see huge price gains, perhaps leading to a market cap of $1 trillion down the road. This may be a method for alternative cryptocurrencies to reach such astronomical prices. Additionally, in the future, other altcoins could potentially approach the trillion-dollar level if the present growth trajectory of cryptocurrencies remains unchecked. So what if Shiba Inu eventually become as valuable as crypto assets worth trillions of dollars? This is particularly true in light of Lucy's promise that the development crew is committed to guaranteeing the project's continued success. This, indeed, is a highly debated subject. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's deal with the present problem that Shiba Inu are facing: yesterday's 10% price drop. The short-term impact on investor mood and confidence is what makes this drop noteworthy. Sudden price drops can cause selling pressure and fear among Shiba Inu holders, especially for a cryptocurrency that has received a lot of attention and investment. Price stability and community reassurance that the project will be able to weather market storms are critical. It is critical for all parties involved, including investors, to address and comprehend the causes of such price swings. This paves the way for Shiba Inu's long-term prospects to regain trust and momentum. However, how do you feel about that? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. Please watch one of the displayed videos if you would want to learn more. We have reached the final segment of this video. Please hit the like button and drop a comment down below if you found the video entertaining. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge help. The more people you can get to watch this video, the better. We need to spread the word about this.